What would happen if the sun suddenly went out? First, as the sun disappears, no one would know the sun is no more. The last photons would be on their way to Earth, and no one would suspect that the sun is no more. 9 minutes later, and the sky would suddenly go blank. Everywhere on Earth would become immediately dark. The moon would also completely go blank and would not be visible at all, since there is no sunlight to reflect on its surface and shine down on Earth. As the sun goes blank, there would no more be photosynthesis. All plants and cyanobacteria would stop producing oxygen, and the lack of oxygen would mean difficulty for every living thing. Over an hour, the daytime side of the Earth would be full of panic. 24 hours later, people on the supposed night side of the Earth would never see down. Temperatures on Earth would drop by several degrees. Some species of plants and microorganisms would begin to die, although the Earth would still be heating itself internally. Creatures living at ocean depth would feel almost no change, since it is still hot where they are and they make little use of light. After over a week, average temperatures on Earth would be minus 15 degrees Celsius. In areas like Yellowstone and Iceland where there are tectonic faults, it would still be warm because of geothermal energy. Many plants would already be dead because of lack of light and cold. In the oceans, plankton would begin to die. Surfaces of oceans would already be turning into ice. After a month, temperatures on Earth would continue to drop, as the average temperature on Earth would be minus 30 degrees Celsius. By now, the world would be completely covered in ice. Almost all plants would already be dead, although some species of plants would still be alive. Most of life on Earth would already be dead, although some species of bacteria would continue with their normal life as if nothing even happened. After a year, the surface of the Earth would be completely covered in ice. Now, life would endure only deep in the ocean. Even at this time, some humans may still be alive, although most animals on Earth would already go extinct. The Earth would continue to cool for thousands of years, until the temperature reaches minus 160 degrees. At this point, no life would be able to survive on Earth. All plants and animals would be dead, as the Earth would become a lifeless ball of ice. Now, let us look at how it will affect all the planets and asteroids and everything in the solar system. First, let us not forget the sun's gravitational influence. As the sun disappears, there will be nothing to hold the planets in their orbits. So, all of the planets and asteroids in the solar system would simply sail away into deep space. We would still have our moon, but our planets would now be a rogue planet, traveling the universe with no host star. Some of the planets in the solar system might collide into each other. Asteroids and comets would bombard the Earth. The Earth will sail away into deep space, where it might even end up in the unescapable gravity of a black hole. There is also a possibility that after traveling in deep space for thousands and millions of years, there is a small chance the Earth might integrate into another star system and find a new sun. But by then, all life will be long extinct. Please note that this is just a thought experiment. The sun would never suddenly disappear. The sun is said to be around 5 billion years old. In a few billion years, as the sun is living out its last days, it would swell and become a red giant. It would swallow Mercury and Venus, and in about a short while it would die, and our planet would orbit whatever remains in the center of the solar system. Maybe by then, humans might have evacuated the Earth and traveled to another planet in another star system entirely. But that would be our topic for another video. Thanks for watching the video. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our weekly uploads. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Thanks for watching and see you in another video.